So I didn't even check that now. But Sam, good morning. Morning, guys. Morning, chat. Alex, good morning. Charles, good morning. Mark Pillay, good morning. I'm Tosh, Vince, Jordan, Becky, Lance, Charles. Two Smoke folks. Morning, guys. Hope everyone's doing good. PN, good morning. Apologies, I'm late today. We had technical difficulties with the Wi-Fi. We just had no connection this morning for some reason. But it seems like we'll find out. Mods, just let me know if there's any hiccups or any issues on YouTube. Just let me know. Yeah, well, it seems like everything's fine on my side. But yeah, let's go, man. Let's go. Finally got that sorted. I think I had to reboot my Wi-Fi like 4 times. I don't know why it's doing that. They were trying to test me early in the morning. Congrats on 950 subs. Yeah, guys, we're almost at 1,000, bro. We're literally almost at 1,000 subs. We need 50 more subs to hit that 1,000 mark. I am gonna do a giveaway at 1,000. So let's share the page. Let's just share it, man. Literally got 50 more subs and we'll be there. But guys, let's get straight into these charts. As we're already late. Let's get straight into the charts. But I trust everybody has had a good weekend. Anybody take any trades this morning? Anybody taking trades? My English is gone, eh? Has anybody taken any trades today? But in the meantime, boys, gold. Let's start with gold. Let's see what's happening. What has been happening? What's our plan further on? But some well done on that 40 pips this morning on gold. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. Rightio, boys, straight into it. Where gold is right now, sitting at that level of 2,300 and holding it, right? Bouncing off 2,300 from the range low to that range high. It's pretty much a 250 pip move from 2,300 to 2,325. I'm going to mention it again, as I would have mentioned for the past week. You are in that weekly range on gold, right? From highs to low. This is where price is ranging. Whether we like it or not, this is what price is doing. On that weekly, price has closed above 23.25 with no top wick currently on this daily, which is obviously Monday, so it's a weekly. So that is something to definitely note, boys. As you are looking to push price forward, we need to note that the weekly is creating a bottom wick without a top wick right now. That weekly has closed above the quarter pip level of 23.25. There is a higher possibility that you could reject off of these areas after that closure, as the body then flips the level of 23.34 to continue driving to that weekly resistance of 24.25. That is something that is highly anticipated as we start to push forward, especially the fact that we do not have the top wick on that daily. Grant Davids, Ryan Mull, good morning, boys. What's up? So now popping down to my daily, obviously we would have opened up with no top wick today, and then looking to the left hand side, we have this consolidation area here. Do you see that range there? Price actually went ahead and closed above the range, but I won't, even though it's closed above the range on the left, I still don't think it's above the liquidity, and that is why you can see price rejecting off of that area. And how I'm going to use it to my advantage is understanding that when I look at these candlesticks, I need to focus on the bodies as well. And if I look to the left hand side, I can clearly see that it's rejecting off of bodily support at these levels, and that is why price is dipping like that. So even though the weekly and the daily don't have top wicks, there is possibilities that we can still drive down, and that will obviously put me at a point where even though we don't have that top wick, I can still look for shorts because it is rejecting off of liquidity. Obviously, you want that top wick on the daily. Obviously, you want to see price grab the liquidity and then come in the volume. However, if that is the case today, that it just starts to sink, I will look for those short opportunities. So let's start popping our daily high and daily low, and then get into our lower time frames and actually start working with our supply and demand areas to see what is our actual plan for the day. So first and foremost, I'm gonna go ahead and get my current daily high out, because obviously the flip of that would then suggest that we could drive to the upside, coming off of that weekly closure and that daily closure on Friday. Oh, what's in here? Okay, let's get to that 4 hour. See, the 4 hours in a range as well, now rejecting a major liquidity area. So looking where the 4 hour is, boys, this is going to be that daily liquidity zone there. Just give me a second quickly. No stress, no stress. So let me know if that connection is fine on YouTube, boys. Just let me know there. Nah, I don't know why I'm not gonna lie, boys, the internet connection is a bit testy on my side. I can definitely see that. So just bear with me today. Just give me a second here, boys. Okay. So 4 hour zones highlighted. I think I just want to add in this level where we are testing right now, 23.17 as well. Because this is obviously we're rejecting right now. Okay. So this is my zones over here. Quite happy with that actually. I'm quite happy with that. So this is gonna have to be the play for me. Just because the issue with me looking for longs from this area, boys, is the fact that I'm right at that quarter pip. That is the current issue right now. So this is how I'm gonna have to play the card today. So I just wanna see. This is how I'm gonna have to play the cards today. I'm going to need to understand that even though price does not have that top wick on the weekly and the daily, it is rejecting off of a major daily liquidity zone. As you can see here, 23.38. That is a level of daily rejection. So now if price goes ahead and starts popping below the current 4 hour demand zone, I'm going to anticipate that you are pretty much just trading this range over here. And then once price starts to get below that level, we'll wait for price to tap into those lows, retest, and as it re-breaks that lows, we can short it down to the quarter pip of 2300. And then on the contrary, if she does reject these areas, I'm going to start looking for aggressive buys from this area. I would, however, prefer it above the quarter pip. But I'm going to go in with anticipation that as we turn this 4 hour bullish, this will be suggesting that you're rejecting these areas for price to drive to the upside. Okay. Boys on Zoom, when you pop in, just make sure your mic's on mute, please. Let's get down to that 30-minute. I'm actually gonna leave. I'm gonna leave the zone like this, boys. Yeah, I'm gonna leave my 30-minute zone like this. It's just there's a lot of choppiness in the areas. Yeah. So this is what I'm gonna have to do is leave that zone like that. Add in my QP level over there. Actually, might want to do it at that first 2 candlestick pullback actually. At that quarter pip level there. How big is these ranges? Gee whiz, about 100 pips. 60. Okay. This will be the play for me today, boys. Over here, we're going to have aggressive longs, and I'm going to show you how I would get in, what I want to see. I'm just getting my zones prepped because it obviously isn't the most cleanest of areas. However, there is obviously ways I can trade this. This one will be aggressive shorts. And then up here as well, aggressive buys. I'm only popping in aggressive because it's choppy areas. Choppy areas. Okay. Let me start building confluence as to how I can take the shorts. So let's focus on the shorts right now. We'll get in on the buys. I do prefer the buys, I'm not gonna lie. But let's get in on the shorts and then work from that. So the shorts will come with the idea that you're tapping into this. Just give me a second. You're tapping into this daily / weekly liquidity zone, as you can see at that level of 23.36 on that daily right there. Can you see that? That's my area right there, 23.35, 23.36, around that area. With price starting to trade now below that quarter pip, I'll anticipate that you're then just bouncing off of the range high, which is over there, to the range low, which is over there. With that being said as well, it's also very important I need to understand that the only problem with this trade is that there's no top wick. That's something that I just have to understand. Okay, popping down to my 4 hour, where you can clearly see that the 4 hour is also in a range. As a matter of fact, that 4 hour is actually bearish, right? So it is making lower lows and lower highs within that structure. So because that is the case, you do anticipate that from these highs, let's clear this out, from these highs, price can obviously pop down to its lower region. So from these highs to come down to these lows, actually, because price is essentially doing something like this, where price is driving, pulling back. This is obviously price grabbing liquidity, to then drive, to pull back, to continue further down. That would be your idea off of that 4 hour, that price can continue to do so. And that is how I'll pretty much use the 4 hour, the daily, the weekly, as my understanding that price can continue to the downside. The only thing that I would con on the position is I need some sort of support to form at that level, so that once it breaks the floor, I can then see something like that. That's what I want to see. For price to just drop right now, yes, it can happen, and yes, I can take the position, but it's higher risk because there's no retest, there's no liquidity grab of area since 23.25, which is the quarter pip, which means that is about 80 pips away. So the probability of it coming there is much higher than the price continuing further down. Not to say it can't continue driving, but what is price action, right? We're in liquidity right now. Price has then broken. Where is that? Or where is that even? After tapping to liquidity, where's the pullback? You understand? So that is the issue that we will face if we are a bit too aggressive with these shorts. So that's just something that I would prefer. Is price closing bullish, so that I can form some sort of 30-minute support. Look, I have it on the 15. I'll show you now. So I have it on the 15. Is that enough though? Is that enough? Because if I take position, it's going to have to be somewhere down there. My stop is going to be at least about 50 pips. You with me? So patience is definitely going to be the card that we'll have to play today, because when I want to take my entries, I want it to look something like this, where I get price closing below the level. Something like that, to then retest, grab liquidity, and as it starts to flip, we can then anticipate price to then continue further down. Okay, so this would be the sell side of things. It is against the daily and the weekly candlestick anatomy. However, it is with that 4 hour bearish structure at the moment. So that is something that I what do you call it, I'm going to use in my favor. The 30-minute, however, is still bullish. The 30-minute is still bullish, guys. So the only time it's actually going to flip is at the closure of where I want to enter. That's why I'm not too keen on entering anywhere around here, or even do a type 3 like this. So say for example, you get a scenario where price pulls back now to that level. I'm not even keen on taking shorts there, because it's still sitting and bouncing off of that 30-minute support level, which is the area where price will then flip. So it's still bullish, which means that price can still do something like that. And then what is it actually doing? It's actually stemming from that daily and the weekly. So let's go ahead now and work on how can we get in on the buys, which I personally prefer. The first and foremost is going to be price tapping into liquidity and then forming a top wick to then make a lower wick to re-break that high. That's going to show me that I'm starting to lose the sellers in the market, right? Then at that same time, with this current 30-minute engulfing price like this, I'm going to anticipate that this is then price retesting that level for price to continue to the upside. That is what I'll then anticipate, that your top wick of your daily and your 4 hours still needs to be formed. So anticipating a daily flip today as well would still need to be formed. So that is what I would be pretty keen on seeing today. Let's clear that. So this is going to be where I'll be keen on early aggressive buys. Guys, when I say aggressive, it's only because the areas aren't that clean. Okay? So let me just check here. What I would want to see is something like this, boys. Price closing above the level of 23.20. So something like that. Right? For the next candle to do something like that. Boom. And start to drive. Targeting that quarter pip for 46 pips. Okay? And then if I maybe miss that move and I'm looking for the next sort of entry, will be just price closing above this level. Like that. This would be the preferred trade right there. Because then you have price doing this. Then you have price coming down to grab liquidity to drive, right? However, what you then see is you have something like this, where you have that support level there, you have price breaking, retesting, breaking. That is the swing high right there, right? So once price starts to get above that, it should then retest. We've done the setup a million times. It should then retest, and then as it breaks prices high, you then anticipate price to continue driving, obviously, and this will then be seen as price grabbing liquidity from that 4-hour level before it can continue driving. A big thing of what I stand on is when I'm looking for entries on price, I always focus on where does price need to go to in order for it to grab liquidity, in order for that drive to come. So if that is the case and it starts driving from this 4-hour level, that would then suggest that it needed that extra volume at the level of 23.15, which is where price tested, in order for it to actually continue that weekly and daily momentum. That is something that could definitely happen. So for me personally, I'm going to prefer the buys today. However, if the sells, is the case, and that is the plan for today, I'm okay with that. I'm really okay. Sorry, not the plan, the play for the day, because I have a plan for both sides. So if that is the play today, I'm okay with that. But right off the bat, right now, you don't have your closures yet. So I need to see price closing above this level, retesting that level, holding support, and then as it re-breaks that, I need to understand that there is liquidity right there. So that is a probability of how the trade could lose. However, once it starts to drive and break those highs, I will anticipate that price can come and retest that quarter pip in anticipation that it will eventually start to drive further onwards to come and make that daily high. That would be the first way of entry, and then simple, like I said, waiting for that second leg will be the optimum entry for today. So as you can see, we are at least 15 minutes, about 15, well, at least about 20 minutes away from the close that I want. For me personally, I don't think the 15 is going to be enough. I'll see how price reacts to that at that level and make my decision then. But essentially you want a setup like this, but I would prefer it to happen after that 30 close. The 30 close is going to give me more of what I want, because I want this 15 to close outside the box bullish, and the next 15 to close bearish, so that the 30-minute closes above, but I also have a 15 resistance, which will be nice at that same level on the left hand side of 23.20. And then once it starts to break the highs, then I'll be very comfortable in taking the position. To take the position from these lows it's a higher risk than waiting for price to get above their QP. So it's going to have to be the patience card for me today, boys. But that's pretty much how I want to buy. That's pretty much how I see the sells, if that is the case today. So do drop a 1 in the chat. It was a bit of a lengthy explanation, but we obviously have to get deep into it, seeing that we are in a bit of a choppy area. So do drop a 1 in the chat if you understand that gold analysis. We're just gonna have to be patient and wait for that. I just want to actually change this music. This thing's making me. Where is this? Perfect. Okay, boys. So we know what you're doing. It's gonna have to be patient for that areas to arise. I'll break down GJ in a minute. I just want to run to the bathroom quickly. Come back. Guys in the Zoom, are we good? We know what you're doing today. Ed, what's up, bro? What's up? Oh, for sure, no, 100%. Dude. It's weird. It literally just started giving issues as soon as I switched my as soon as I switched my PC on. That's just like crashed. I crashed. Is that dog's permanent on your lap page, George? Let's quickly have a run through GJ, boys. Whilst we await proper setup on gold. What is going on here? Let's clear this out, boys. Oh, GJ is just in that choppy area again. In a very, very choppy area. Still in this range, actually. Okay, I'm just gonna get the major zones out on GJ because this thing is not that clean. Vince, I'll answer that question now, my brother. And then Nate, you also had a question that you wanted to ask me, whatever, but just give me a second. Let me just break down GJ and then we can obviously chill and go through things. First and foremost, I'm gonna go ahead and mark out Friday's, well, last week's low, in anticipation that if we re-break that, look, we are at a point where we are so high within the within the range. I mean, we haven't been here since 2008, so I am gonna look for price to start retesting the level of 197,500. That is something that I'm gonna continuously look for unless we start to continue driving. Okay, so popping down to that daily as well, you can see we pretty much have this daily level of liquidity right there. Do you guys see that? So I will definitely anticipate that if we reject these highs, which we are doing, because price is starting to make lower lows and lower highs, as you can see there for the past 3 candles. Once price can start trading below Friday's low, we should see something like that. And that is straight off the bat what I'm going to target, straightforward. The buys, look, they can happen above the quarter pip in anticipation that price will drive there for sure. 100%. I just prefer the idea that price is rejecting those highs to break this level of demand to continue down into that LTA. You see the zone that GJ in is terrible. However, the areas that it could possibly trade into is cleaner. I like that. I really like that. It's a much more cleaner area than gold even. So let me just go ahead and pull this through right there. This can be my 4-hour demand area. And then this I'm just gonna have as a POI, and this will be the actual liquidity zone there. Okay, so these are my GJ zones at the moment. You start breaking it down. Okay, this is how I look for the sells. Okay, the sells will be understanding the idea that price is rejecting that weekly / daily highs. You have the level of liquidity on your 4-hour and your daily over there. Your candlestick anatomy is also printing lower lows and lower highs within a structure on that daily. So for sure, as price breaks Friday's low, I'll anticipate price to then start to drive away from these areas. So what I need is that at least a 30-minute level and a 4-hour level being broken, a 30-minute to 15-minute closure below the area, a retest of that level for anticipation that price will then drive down to the next quarter pip of 197,500. On that 30-minute, the closures need to be something like this. We need something like this where price closes below the level, retest, grabs liquidity in anticipation that price will drive. Your first major TP is going to be the level right here, about 50 pips away. It's actually a very nice range, I'm not going to lie. It's 140 pip range. So if GJ does decide to tank, it will be a very nice move. Okay, so the closure is going to be something like that, boys, as a type before I tell you the type, let me check the buys. It should be a type 4. Yeah, it'll be a type 4 entry. As a type 4 entry, closure below, retest, grab of liquidity in anticipation that price will continue. You guys know what I'm trying to draw there. In anticipation that price will continue to the downside. And then on the contrary, if price does reject these areas and starts popping back up, I will need closures below the quarter pip area, which will be something like this. So once I can get closures below that QP area like that, I'll then anticipate that price can then drive to fill this LTA on the left hand side to tap into last week's highs as well. So something like that. You've got a range of 150 pips as well. Your nearest point of interest will be 203.26. So what we can also use is this as a guide. So let me show you now quickly. You can use it as a guide to understand that you technically have a range there, right? Do you see that range? That's your range. So once price closes into that range, holds the area of 200 as a support level, we'll anticipate that price can obviously tap back in, and all it should do is just fill that range, come from range low to range high, right? So that will then be that early picking move, and that will be what, about 40 pips, between 30 and 40 pips. So that is quite nice. In anticipation that price will drive, yes, but focusing on the now, that will be your first initial area. I actually really like it. GJ just seems to be a more probable area for me today, even more so than gold. So let me just get my areas out. So first and foremost, this whole range here is not tradable for me. So if price just sits there, there's nothing I can do. But if it can start getting out, it will definitely be attack time. Okay, this will be 150 pips. 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 1 What's at 4 hour at the moment? Bearish. Was bullish. There we flip bearish. That was a leg there, flip bearish. Okay, also bearish. So 2v2. So it's a 2v2, boys, either or. It's going to be an either or for me. With that being said, also both areas will be aggressive because it's that first initial impulse out of the consolidation. So I've got aggressive buys there. And over here I've got aggressive shorts. But it's literally as simple as that, boys. Waiting for closure either above or below the level, and then I can take trades afterwards. Very straightforward. Drop a 1 in the chat if you understand what I'm going through, if you understand the analysis on both pairs, and if you're ready for the trading day. Obviously, I know for a lot of people in South Africa it's like a public holiday. I feel as for traders there's no such really for us. There's no day off today. We're gonna sit here for London and we're gonna see what we can do. It's still a normal day around the world. And we've got USD bank holiday on Wednesday. That is something to be aware of. Major news for the week, you got retail sales tomorrow. Monetary bank rates on Thursday for pound. CPI for pound on Wednesday, that will also impact it. And then on Friday, retail sales for pound as well. So a pretty much busy day, busy week regarding news, which should then start to suggest that we should start to see some lack of volume, some good volume throughout the week. So let's see how this day goes. We should start to see some volume today. More so from tomorrow onwards, but we should see some volume today. Okay. So I'm just going to add alerts here just in case I miss anything. Just in case I miss anything, I think I want to just add in this level there as well. Just tweak that. And then I'm happy. I'm quite happy. I'm going to add in this there. Okay. Any questions, guys, can let me know. What was that asked? Vince. When we hit, do we close 10 pips partial? Yeah, so for me personally, at TP1, I go to break even and I close between 50 and 80% of my position. Unit, what is the questions you wanted to ask me yesterday? Because we gotta be patient and wait for this now, boys. For sure. Can I just check one thing quickly? Road to 1,000, boys. You're almost at 1,000 subs as well. Almost at 1,000 subs. So if you aren't sub to the channel already, do hit that subscribe button. If you haven't liked the stream, let's get that stream up. The likes up, sorry. What is that? Yeah, we need 45 subs. 45 subs, boys. We'll do a giveaway there as well. Seems like GJ's starting to move, but it's just still in that range. Don't know you. You and his profiles. Yeah, for sure. Send it to the Telegram so I can get that example. And then I'll open it up from there. You can just check on Telegram.
Miles?
Yeah.
I actually have another question. Well, there is an example on the chart right now, on Friday. You see on GJ?
Yeah.
Do you see those, there's a big bullish candle at 5:15 in the morning, and then before that it's a bearish candle, but they have like, yes. So,
These two.
Yeah. How would you have made the zone there? Because I kind of like put the zone at the end of that bullish candle. So then, wait, are candles, do they look the same? Oh, go to your 15 minutes. Yeah, how would you have made the zone there? Like if you were looking at Friday.
Would this have been would this have been prior these candles or before or after?
After. So if you look at the bearish candle coming down, would you have, because obviously like if we're going according to how you map the structure, so obviously there's like two opposing candles and the structure changes. So if you look at my question is quite long, I am sorry. So basically, okay, let me send you an example of what I thought. And
That's how I would have had that zone. I would have had the zone like that. This is how I would have had the zone, yeah.
So that long candle would never really bother you that much.
But would I have been where would I have been in the trade? Would I have been in the trade or still analyzing?
Wait, let me send you. I'm more talking about the London open, so all the bearish candles going down. So if you're looking on if you're extending zones.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah.
And you want to trade into it?
Yeah. You go to the 15 minutes.
Okay.
And then obviously you see like there is a bearish candle that closed below the zone, but obviously it made a long wick as well.
This one.
Would you have traded?
This one, yeah. This one, yeah. This one, yeah.
No, the 10 o'clock one.
No, I wouldn't have traded. No.
Would you have traded at all, like for any sell on Friday? For London, say.
London, like around. I would probably do this. I would possibly do that. Look, I don't know the full breakdown of analysis, but coming off of those highs, price then tapping to this level, rejecting, closing again, rejecting off that Maribozu, then getting your closure below. I could take the flip on that, but I wouldn't trade here, and I wouldn't trade after this, because where would the stop have been? Where would my stop loss have been? So that's what I wouldn't have done. I would have, if this was the case, and you know you're going through backtesting results, I think I would have only taken the trade at 11:15. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I think that's sort of where I would have done it. Why did you take a position there?
No, I wanted to, but I'll show you how my chart looks, and then you can just let me know what you think.
Yeah, for sure.
I think I was thinking it a bit.
Yeah. Look, obviously you did analysis on the day, so you were like within the live chart. So for me to come and say I would have done this, that could have been different within a live scenario. You with me?
Yeah, I get you.
Okay, guys, that's it. Off was close on gold and GJ. Gold, nothing for me yet, eh? Gold, nothing for me. I'm just tweaking those zones there, boys. I pulled it down from having that whole zone highlighted. I went to the lowest point, pulled it down there, and then I just added in the current resistance, which is the level of 2319. Let's say 2320. This is nothing for me yet. This is not a setup I'll take. So I need something like this. This would be best if price can do something like that. You know? So it forms that resistance. So giving the market the time it needs. That is going to be the wisest for me. Did you send that thing to Telegram, yeah?
No, I'm still getting everything because I want to show you what I'm free, and then I want to show you what I wanted to trade. But there was like a few things like telling me not to take the trade, so I'll send it to you now. Sorry.
No shit. The rest of the guys on YouTube are good. I don't know if you can YouTube hear the Zoom. I don't know. With price closing like that. Yeah, with price closing like that, Maribosa in that liquidity. If we get something like this, that would be awesome. If we get something like that on gold, that'd be really nice. A bearish close, that will give us the resistance we need. Closure below, next candle to tap in and start driving away. That would be very nice actually. But we gotta be patient. I could only yeah, then maybe it's relaying through YouTube. Okay, I got that. I'll check now. It was on Friday.
Yeah.
I got you.
Sorry, everything wasn't evenly on the chart. Sorry.
Just let me know when you're ready. So you were looking for type 3s over here already?
Wait. I was, but then it just fell. Like it just fell, and then I wanted to get in. Wait, I'm just sending you the 5 minutes. I wanted to get in like aggressively, but it made like a huge wick,
Mm.
which you'll see now on the 15. I wasn't sure because of that huge wick, but then the next 15 didn't make a bottom wick. And I was like, it can't work because the stop loss was slightly bigger than what I would have.
Well, like 40, 45.
I think it, wait, I think it was 35, but it could have been slightly bigger because it was definitely not 30.
Wait, did you take this position?
No, but I was thinking about it, but I was kind of doubting it because there was still a chance it could go up.
For sure, yeah.
I thought maybe that huge candle was just grabbing liquidity to continue further up, but then it was kind of struggling to go up. So then I think I was just kind of overthinking it, but I was just unsure about that because of what it did. So I wanted to hear from you. Would you have taken that trade? Because it was kind of like a 50-50.
Yeah, look, for me personally, it has a lot of wicks. I think that would have put me off of the trade, but I see exactly how it would have played out. Once it started to break this floor over here. So once it started breaking that floor, this would have been your confirmation here. However, it's too big, so you can't get on. However, the wick itself is what, like 40 pips, so you can use that as a wick fill. So then when you get on the 5-minute time frame and you start seeing price rejecting and breaking that floor right there, I would have actually taken entry somewhere like there, and then had my stops above there for price to anticipate that price can continue down. I wouldn't have got involved there because that is a lot of chop. It's up and down. I would have waited for that 5-minute floor to break, which is that, and then I would have got on, and my stop would have been either there for 46 or the body highs. Where's this thing now? Yeah, I would have done something like that. I wouldn't have gotten in any earlier.
And would you have, because I know on gold the stop losses are bigger, but are you also open to increasing your stop loss?
On GJ?
40 on GJ,
Yeah, I am. It's the current market conditions and we have to adapt to that. Obviously we want it as small as possible, but I mean, if that is where the technical reasoning is, I'm gonna have to play that card, eh? But I would have had like a 30 pip stop on it anyway, because I would have used the body as a what do you call it, like an idea to say that, look, it's closed bearish below the floor. For it to pretty much engulf bullish, it's going to be stuck in the range, and I wouldn't want to be in that sort of position. But then I could also have the argument and say, you know what, I have liquidity right there. What if price taps and then drops? I could have that argument as well. So it would have, the stop loss, either the 45 pips or the 30 pips, that would have been then, I would say, chosen with my risk appetite at the time.
Okay. The other one, sorry,
No, that's fine.
I feel like I'm keeping it up now.
No. We're waiting for trade anyway.
There's another one that you said you would have taken the trade there. That was the second one I was going to get up in, but the problem was that it didn't close below. I just sent it to you, so I wasn't like sure, like should I just go for it, because it was the current daily book that orange line. So that gave me the confidence that it would go, and there was enough space, but you can see my TP, the blue area, that's 10 pips. So just below the TP was 10 pips. So obviously it looks really nice now, but at the time I was like,
yeah, no, I
don't know,
because that's caught up there as well.
Yeah. So you wouldn't have taken that.
I wouldn't. Like, we can always say, oh no, but it looks so good to play out, but in reality, taking a trade so close to the QP, I wouldn't have taken it. So
if there was more space, would you have, even though it closed below the daily low?
yeah, I would, if there was more space, yeah, then for sure. Like if it was more of a runoff area before that. What time frame was that? 5?
Yeah, so 5 minutes 15. So it was literally like, you see that old bullish on bearish on Friday. It was literally that last.
I wouldn't have, because it's, I mean, from that point to QP is like 9 point something pips. We know what QP, we know what quarter pip is. So there's gonna be times like this where you're gonna not take the move and it's going to run. What is this, like 60 pips, 75 pips? it's gonna happen. However, we just have to stick to strategy. So for me personally, I wouldn't have taken that.
Okay.
Yeah, I wouldn't have. I personally wouldn't have. It was too. It would have been too close to the quarter pip for me.
And even though if you look on the 30 minutes, obviously you see the 30-minute zone is like a little bit lower than the TP area. Even though it is a little bit lower, would you feel like no, the TP is like stronger than looking at the 30-minute area?
Talking about this.
Yeah.
Yeah, the issue is that is cool and well to see, but what do we see here? Look at that. Look at the last time price got in that area. It never dipped like that. It rejected multiple times. So the probability of it doing that is higher than it just doing what it did. But there's going to be the odd times, like I say, where price does just dip and, well, start to drive to the downside. There's like, I mean, it's easy to say after, like you, or when you backtest, you can easily say, I would have, I should have, you know. But in a live scenario, you need to take into consideration what has actually happened majority of the time in that area before. And if we look at it, it's rejected that area many times. Because it would have been a whole different story now. If we, I mean, maybe the question wouldn't have been asked if this thing had gone up. You know what I mean? Now, because it dropped, we always try and see how could we have gotten into that move. But in reality, even though it had dropped so much, and even though there was the LTA, if we look to the left hand side, there is many rejection areas, which means that price could have done the exact same at that point. So especially if that last area, that runoff area, is less than 10. I mean, if we're targeting 10, the zone can't be 10. Or how can I say, the area that you want to play into can't be 10. So I wouldn't have taken that second one.
I feel better.
For sure. What, did you feel like FOMO because you weren't in it or something?
No, like I think I was just, because I didn't take any trades on Friday, I was kind of like overthinking it if I was too precise with certain things.
Yeah.
Because I think I was maybe overthinking it, but I was overthinking it. I don't know.
Yeah.
I feel better now.
Okay, no, you're fine. You're fine. Well done on your discipline, staying intact. Okay, gold price to close below the level, retest and start to drop down to the level of 23.11. If I can get closure below the level, that's what I'll anticipate, that the liquidity area on the left hand side is now being used as a resistance, because currently it's support, right? But if we can see something like that and price starts to trade below the level and we use it as a point of reference to say this is now the resistance area, we can then short it down to 23.11. Okay. That'll be the plan. It'll pretty much just be the continuation of the move anyway, with the 30 minute is bearish, right? Double checking. No, 30 minutes bullish. Where did that 30-minute flip bearish is gonna be here though? So once we can get that closure 10 o'clock, you'll then have that on your side. So if we take this trade based off of this 15, this will be an anticipation. Okay, this will be a price. Well, we can anticipate that price will continue going further down. The only thing is my stop loss will be big. It's going to be 50 pips, whether I like it or not. That is if I do the aggressive move and I take it slightly before. And then the areas you need to look out for is 23, 15, 14. Between 15 and 14, the liquidity zone right there. And then the setup will look something like this. Stops above. TP1 for 10. We can do that. TP2, what's that? 25. And then we'll end at 40 pips. That would be the idea there. John, any questions you guys can let me know? Is YouTube surviving? You guys also on holiday? You guys are quiet today. Okay, that's at 15 close. Not enough for me to execute on any positions yet, boys. So I have to wait for 10 o'clock, which will be hourly close as well. I really like this. That price broke those highs, grabbed liquidity, and for price to re-break that previous low, should definitely start to bring in volume to the downside. I like that idea a lot. The only issue is it's a bit choppy there. So I definitely need that closure. Because I want to see that this 30-minute then flips bearish. So for me, the break of this low right there is not going to be enough. I mean, it could definitely run for sure, but it's just not going to be enough for me to say I want to get on. Okay. No, it doesn't. Unit, no, it doesn't. Because in consolidation, remember, you're just trading the range. All you're doing is trading the range. GJ stuck in the consolidation. Oh, just a quick plug. I'm actually gonna add this into the description. Guys, with Vault Funder, obviously, where's this thing? Let me just get this quickly. So there's just a quick little plug for Vault Funder, guys. For those that don't know, Vault Funder offers funding up to 2 million rand. That is $100,000 accounts. For those looking to trade prop firms, this would be the prop firm that MFX would recommend. And then something for a little bonus for you guys, if you are looking to join a prop firm space and get involved in leveling up your capital, and you do need that, we now have a discount code. So for all the challenges 5k to 100k, use the discount code MFX for 35% off. Okay, which is very nice, very nice. So if you're looking to do a 100k challenge, I think that's like $300 odd. 5k, 30% off, $60. So it's very nice. So for those looking for a prop firm to use, I would highly recommend Vault Funder, and obviously to get a bit of a discount, use the code MFX at checkout for a 35% discount. I actually completely forgot to let you guys know about that. I'll add it into the YouTube description as well. 35% off? That's crazy. Did we, is this thing updated? It should be updated, right? Yeah, it's updated. Okay. $35% off? Yeah, dude. Yeah, 35% off. It's and then the thing that I can vouch for my guys. They one of the only legit. You think so, Charles? I don't think so. We'll check into it after stream. They're one of the only legit guys out there. That's something I can definitely speak on. So in my personal capacity, in my brain, I would literally only vouch for Vault Funder and FTMO. Vault Funder for me being the top. And I mean 35% off, that's crazy. Oh yes, yeah. I think we are 80 pips, Charles. I think we didn't add that one in. Come on, gold baby, give me something. Give me something. Should probably do that plug now, right? Okay, so for those that are here for the first time, if you're looking for a trading community where you can learn how I trade, level up your trading, etc., we do offer that. Right here we've got the, what do you call this, mentorship program. We've got the recommended broker that I use, recommended prop firm, as I've mentioned, Vault Funder, with a 35% discount right now, using code MFX, and then that puts you straight to your MFX business page. We are so close to 1,000 subs, boys. 44 subs away from 1,000. Crazy. Yo, Lance Mentor, if you are, if that if that is where you are on the stream, you are way behind. You must just check out, just check your YouTube stream. I think you're far at the back, bro. Because I'm very sure I said that like five minutes ago. Ooh, what's gold doing here? Might see a flip here. Let's see.
Wi-Fi is bad, brother.
Don't worry, right? Wi-Fi issues this morning as well. Wi-Fi is Wi-Fi is on holiday. Eight minutes to hourly, 30 and 15 close. Let's see what's on the table for us. What is on the table? How big is this wick? Because I'm going to use this to my advantage. About a 15 pip wick. If, you know, that is the case. I hope it doesn't close in that level, because then we're going to be in consolidation. Fajola, do you think the market GBP JPY can move for buy Su H3? What is a Su H3? Only H3 I know is a Hummer. If gold breaks its current 50-minute low now, I think it's good to sell. Yeah, I agree with you on that one, Basam. I would actually like a very weak bullish candle. So if let's say for example price will sell off, right? I would love to see this candle pop up, grab liquidity, which it did, and then close weak bullish like that, and then I'll take the break on the next one impulsively. That would be pretty cool to see, unless this one obviously flips now and closes below. Boys, it is frick cold. But while you're there, Fajola, subscribe and like the channel. Jola. No, we're just consolidating on gold. TJ also pretty much just in consolidation. What is that on a gold unit? I can't say as of yet, to be honest with you. I can't say just yet. We obviously don't want a 50 pip stop loss, but if it's what I'm gonna have to do with, you know, current market conditions, I'm okay with that. But yeah, I can't say just yet. I need to see this closure. Because if we close back in the range, then I'm not. There's nothing I can do. For sure. One minute to close. Let's see how she's gonna close. I would like if it doesn't close below, a weak bullish closure would be fine. Seconds. Let's see if we're gonna get it. I think we might get that weak bullish close that I want. Yeah, we did. Okay, so what I want now is I want this candle to pop up, and as it starts to break these lows, I will look for that early short executions. Let's see how that 30-minute looks. So we're going to be anticipating that as it breaks this low, it'll just continue with that candlestick anatomy to the downside. But we need a top wick first. No top wick, no trade. No top wick, no trade. Which we don't have yet. But you want something like this, guys, where this will be your entry, something like this. And then we'll base our stop loss there for 43, targeting 40 pips down there. This is what you'd see. This is what you'd want. What's up?
Something like when this kind of setup happens, like the previous candle did a top, now this one doesn't have one.
Yeah.
I think it's necessary, even I think it's still necessary.
Yeah. Yeah, because remember we need to play these. We need to play the idea off of candlestick anatomy. So there's no top wick. The problem with getting in would be that
But retrace.
yes, yeah, that's your problem.
Oh, because I see this happening a lot with the previous candle, like make the top with the next one will just rip, break the low.
That's true, yeah. Darren, just check that comment there. Do you know that guy? Get asked what he do. He said he gym. What do you do for a living? I gym. That guy. Is it that?
Wait, and I don't.
I don't know. Just check that comment. I think that's what video he's talking about. Yeah. How did that even? How does that fit in? I'm a mechanic. Probably. Probably, bro. So this is what I would like to see. But I need that top wick first. So the top wick to form, re-break its low, break these lows, and I'll take that impulse short in anticipation that that's the 5-minute floor breaking. And the catalyst candle is this candle right there. Yeah, because that will be then a bearish engulfing for me. But we gotta wait. Shout for the subs, boys. Like they're all coming through now. Name. So gold at liquidity, GJ is some volume. Okay, we gotta wait for at least that 10:15 closure. So guys, I'll be back in about 5 minutes. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. Gold rejecting this area. Yeah, we in consolidation, guys. Nothing's happening. Nothing is happening until we can get closed outside these zones. What's the rand doing? I would love to see how the rand is going to react after everything is finalized with the ANC and DA partnering. I would like to see that. GJ with some volume, approaching that resistance now, boys. Can we get the close above? That is the question. GJ Wildish? Yeah, I think we just started to see some volume coming. English or Spanish? GJ on that approach.
People in the Zoom actually trade DJ without me.
With what? Without me?
How many people in the Zoom actually trade DJ without me?
Can everybody hear Darren's mic? As soon as you say the last word, like you're not there. Oh, his mic is gone. I think that's the question, yeah? How many trade GJ without me? Put a 1 in the chat if you trade GJ on your own.
I'd love to know.
Yaneti's GJ is boss. Yeah, like if there's no stream. Oh, Two Smoke folks easier. I thought he's on holiday. He's definitely not cycling.
Yeah, so nobody else trades DJ.
Yeah, no, it was. Very nice, Devin. Very nice. Oh, yeah, for sure, Lance. For sure, my brother. Backtesting is key, man. Yeah, no, he doesn't. Darren's favorite pair is GBP USD.
Nas 100.
Oh, you're a Nas trader now?
Oh, what the boyki.
I was waiting for that. How are you doing, Jordan? How are you?
I'm good and you. I'm good and you, my brother.
Yeah, I'm good.
What, is it like an inside joke that I missed something on Friday? Did I miss something?
I think if we check the Nas chart of there, we see the joke.
What? Oh, we're making the brand ticket.
Wow. Where was your justice?
Where was your justice right there, buddy?
where was your entry on Friday? Oh, very nice. Yeah, just drop here. Very nice, bro.
You guys take
Wait.
a breakout or wait?
There was actually a top four.
Where's where is the snow? Where are you? Is it a sideline training or what?
I'm waiting.
Type 4 aggressive, very nice. Ruben, I'm in a NAS buy since 1905. Jeez, bro.
Miles Golden forgot to tell you that I'm his mentor on NAS.
Oh, okay, okay. Yes, the Ruben's in a buy since then. What is so? Put the one in the chat, guys. Hectic. Ruben, that's a long hold, brother. You must be coining it. You hold it till 20. What makes you say that? Look, I don't trade NAS.
That target is a bit far.
What's where you? Why? It's never been there before. Why are you holding that? Why? What's happening at 20? What's happening at 20,000?
The only reason I didn't take the trade was because it's at all-time highs now, so I didn't know it was gonna just reject or carry on, but it looked like it wouldn't work.
Holding for next 3 years due to news.
Holding for next year,
Nigga, what?
Here's my boss.
this guy, fucking Larry Williams.
Hectic. Are you like are you trading it like on a MT5 or is it like bought shares?
But I work for FNB.
Oh, I would love some insider shit.
Yeah.
Tell me too. Tell me too.
I think Ruben is waiting for Forex to take over.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, he's not trading, he's investing, my way.
Yeah. That's a long hold, brother. But I hope you're making some big money there. I hope it's not a 001. Because then we're wasting time here. Because then anybody can hold. I hope it's a proper trade, bro. Thank you. Jeez, brother. Yeah. I hope you're making some big moolah there, boy. Gold, don't leave me behind, bro. No bottom wick on gold. Gold is driving. Nothing I can do, the boys. Nothing I can do.
Mama!
Ruben, have you finished that course material yet? You must just book me for one-on-one. Guys, I've got one-on-one slots for... Okay, I'm booked today.
So I'm still waiting for one-on-one.
I'm seeing you today. I'm seeing 3 people today.
Who you seeing?
You, Yanet, and Jesus.
You seeing me? What?
Yeah. I don't know. My flight should land in the next hour. In person.
Oh, courses of what?
What's that?
Some air in the tires.
Let's just change the spark plug as well. Maybe the tap and cover.
Hey, relax. I never lid on my windscreen once more. I have to play the bottle out the window.
Hectic. I'll finish that. What?
Running nice.
Are you at the damn camping and you trading right now? Yo, you living the life, my brother.
What camp is he at that there's signal?
Is that for every resort, the Lani camp?
Yeah, he's camping in a hotel. Hey, love to hear that now.
Charles, did you include that?
No, you still got the. And you got a fucking top.
Very nice. You're holding 10 lots? 10 lots, boy? Damn. Oh, okay. But still 5 lots. It's big boy. It's big boy stuff.
There's no commission, little commission compared to gold.
Fuck all commission, yeah.
No commission.
Man, what is
Hold that trade till you pass the challenge. So that's where you must get.
yeah, they had $5 on the fire.
Wow, smooth. I'm telling you boys, if you want to go the funding route, Vault Fund is definitely the one. Kharib Dam for every resort. Don't know where that is, but sounds nice. Come fetch me. Yeah guys, look, I'm fully booked today. From tomorrow onwards I have slots. So MFX members, just send me a personal message. Not in the group, send me a personal message so I can slot you in for time for the rest of the week. I've got the rest of the week open. Yeah. Furniture. Yeah, look, if you do Vault Finder challenges, use my discount. It's 35% off, bro. I feel like it's a move to save. Especially if it's like your first time and you're still going into that prop firm space and you maybe don't want to pay that much for a challenge.
This is Charles, man, carry on. Faster.
Send that to the group, Charles. I also want to see why are we doing. Nah, I'm not gonna comment on it. I won't comment. I just want to see. Decrease me here. My brothers also used to camp. Yeah, my brothers used to do a lot of stuff. They used to cycle, they used to camp, they used to fish, they used to block. Now I'm just waiting for Uncle Lance to get a bike. Where is that? Decrease me here, let me see. Jesus. Charlie boy. Charlie boy. That's beautiful.
Look at that beautiful stuff.
Oh, that's a beautiful one. Oh, and that stop is right there, you know, just keeping it. Oh, I love it.
Keeping, not letting anyone get away.
Very nice, Charles. Brilliant shit, my boy.
Man's already uploaded this. I'm stop. Wow,
Breakfast on you.
yeah, ciao.
So Charles and Jordan, do you have the direction for the next industry?
Slow down, buddy. It's a bit early for that.
Apparently, if your trade is going to draw down.
I heard that. Fucking hell, this is revolutionary.
We haven't had any we haven't had any haters come to stream this month. It's because we haven't lost.
Not slow down, it's over, bro. I've got you.
You're gonna put that Joshua's fuck.
I'm recording.
I love he's watching this stream.
I think he's fine. I went on John the other day when he was there. So I sent a message saying, hey boss, I'm still waiting at the rank. Oh no, what did I say?
Crying.
Yeah, I said to what's his name? Oh yeah, when it was so cold in PE. I said it's cold in PE, man. Then he threw the stuff.
And then dying to become a mod, my brain. But still, I was crying there in the chat. How do I become a mod? How do I become a mod?
Oh, I thought Dolls was asking.
Yeah, this thing just was
Ah. Bang, bang. He isn't coming in a while. No, actually. Oh, wait. No. You into? Where did we find that bro again? You into, I don't know. We saw him on another one. Another stream. We could possibly get a close above here, boys, on this 30-minute. The only thing I don't like is where I'm gonna buy. It's at that resistance point. That's the only thing I don't like. But if this candle closes above, wicks down, breaks the high, I'm going to be aggressive, and I'll also be aggressive with that stop loss. So, for example, if this candle closes somewhere around that, right? Next candle's going to come in, make a bottom wick, and as it breaks the high, I will execute in anticipation that price will then continue driving, and then that stop loss, I'll then use the bottom of that wick. So it's going to be a tight stop today, if this is the play, with targets being the QP for 31.45, around that. It won't be a flip of the candle as well. It's going to be the break the highs. You like that? You like that?
Yeah, bottom wick on your 15.
Unfortunately not, sir, but it's okay. We're going to pay still for the 30.
Oh wait, so if the next candle can make the bottom wick there, nice.
For sure. Macchiato. I like it when you speak for it.
So what time were you guys busy last night, man?
Excuse me?
So what time were you up last night? For servicing on the Discord?
When your net joined, we left.
Yo.
Your net forgot the camera on yesterday, so we saw her brushing her teeth.
Yo.
That's how yeah, no, 100%. You had to secure like that. That was perfectly managed there, Charles. I like that. I like to see that. Nah, I think we jolted to like 10:30 last night. It wasn't a late night for me. I think so, yeah. We had a couple 1-on-1s. And then we jumped off.
Lying. We were trading Asian Open last night.
We were trading Asian Open. In my dreams, yeah. I can't trade Asia Open because my ear is sore. I woke up with the blood on my pillow. You see what that highly education does to your ears? Make his ears start to sing. You know what, Darren? It could be that, eh?
Because of the quality is so good.
Yeah, I think so. Simeon needs some, yeah. Yo! If Amas do that stuff, there'll be big problems.
But don't speak loud, my mother's at home.
Mommy. Okay, this we're getting that closure now in a minute, boys. Let's see if we can close above. There's a potential position. It is going to be an aggressive position, but it makes sense. Weekly, daily, no top wick. Retesting a 4-hour major liquidity area in anticipation that price should then continue to the upside. On that 4-hour, you've created a bottom wick already, né? Then re-breaking its highs. I'm gonna anticipate that price can bounce off these levels. Hourly engulfing. Ooh, that is even nicer to see. Hourly engulfing, 30 engulfing, 15 not too phased about that. 5 minute. 5 minute hasn't really retested as of yet. I want something like this, boom, and then pow. But so far we are looking good. This is gonna be what I'm looking for. Okay, boys, I'm looking for the bottom wick now, and at the re-break of the highs, I'll be taking long positions. Long positions. Okay? This will be my trade for the Monday morning. Let's see how she goes. Stop is gonna be 30. Yes, that's what I want. I want this. Because this is price now retesting. Obviously, if it just runs down, boys, I won't take the trade, but I want to see it start rejecting this area, break its high, flip, and as it drives, I'll take it. So you're saying, Vince?
Yeah, I wanted to say now that Darren said it's not to say now. Are we going to target Asia
Oh, and you must stop, ne? You must stop, you're gonna get me in the cuck. Vince is making jokes, but he's the biggest advocate here. As in bloed en hy staan met jou volle nommer daar so. So if this thing just drops, I won't take the position, but I'm still fine with it for now to flip and go. Because if this thing drops, this was in the retest of that previous. So you got support there. Oopsie, very skew. Yeah, you've got support there for price to retest the level. Obviously it can drop, right? That's what we understand. And if that is the case, then awesome, we'll wait for the break of those lows to drop. However, if it's going to reject where price is right now, I'll take it. So this is the idea there. That's why, yeah, that's why I stick to the way I trade, man. Because if you had just maybe taken this out on a breakout, you could have been caught. You could have been caught in that. So it's very important that you stick to your rules all the time. Did you ever take a trade today already? One and done? What did you take this morning?
I think most of us took
What did you also take, Naz? Oh, gold shorts. Yes. What time were you guys up this morning that you caught these shorts?
Me and Jason took the same trade once, Jane without racing. So.
exactly.
Hectic. So you also done D for the day? Yeah.
Oh no, it was on my demo account, sorry.
Hectic. Now it's well done on that. So it's the four of you. The four of you guys. Jordan, did you take that Naz buys?
Nah, I didn't.
So 5 of you already, you've done trading for the day already. Because you all hit TP already.
Basic there.
That is beautiful, man. One and done, make your money. And there you go.
No, I know someone who made his money and then he gave it back.
Who is that? Tell me. That's his, Who is that? Donations. It's either it's either the one guy his name starts as a Imian and the other one is a easier. One of those two guys. Those two guys. And they're both not in the zoo. What did y'all do with this money? Buy stops, no, brother. For me personally, I'm waiting for a manual entry. Yeah, should I? My yoga friend. My yoga friend. How's the yoga going? Okay, boys, I'm not in this trade yet. I am still looking for gold buys as price flips. If that doesn't happen and price does sink, I'll obviously look for the shorts. Currently levitating. So yeah, just gotta wait now, boys. Gotta wait and see what the outcome is over here. Are we gonna take that trade? Let's see. If not, obviously we're gonna wait for price to drop, eh? No man, Jordan, man. Never Jordan. Never Jordan. No, you're wrong, bruh. You're wrong, bruh. Yeah, Ruben, Ruben, anything Forex related you can share in the group. That's why we have the group, just to help each other out. As long as it's according to my strategy, it's allowed. We don't want to confuse people and then this guy's trading fair value gaps and this guy's trading ICT, and you know. Yes, Lance, I will be in Cape Town very soon, boss. Are we gonna do a Gatsby from Vez? Aladdin without the carpet? Hectic. Didn't they burn down? Did they vamp it after that? I know, yeah. But Jordan says he knows a place that has like a Gatsby's. Gonna visit Vez.
Yeah, there's one.
Stupid. I've never been there. Slightly rejecting here, boys. We could get that topic on that 15 to continue. Well, it has a topic, but the break of the topic to continue driving to the upside. That's with the flip of that 30 and okay, not close with the hourly yet. Okay, so if I do get in the position, I'm gonna have to at least have a 35 pip stop on this one, which is still decent. This will then also be that 5-minute retest if price is gonna go. I'm not doing buy stops because obviously it is at a point of liquidity, so I'd rather just execute manually. I don't want to be caught in any sort of grab. Where did you get this, Ruben, if I may ask? Jordan, that dog is
Can you hear it? No.
that dog is snoring. I'm thinking, what is that noise?
Hey.
That dog is having the time of his life, eh?
Hey, you know, in this dog, you speak to the eyes. Yo, look at
Soft life.
Hey,
15 close also coming up.
would not be a inside.
I think so.
Then leave the information in line.
Nah, I think it's because he's. Where did he say he's in the Gharib Dam? Was he camping? Hello from the other side. Hello from Sweden. Hi to you too. Hello from South Africa. Hello, Cookie.
Yeah, that doesn't sound right.
That's the dude's name. His name is Cookie. Hello, hello. Hi, hi, hi. I didn't make the name. Listen, are you guys gonna fight for your country after this? In that other server. Hello from Indonesia. Hello from South Africa, Mr. Punten. Hope you're doing well. Are you there? Like and subscribe. Where we at with the subs? Darren, did you watch that video of that I sent you yesterday of Agate Media?
I forgot.
Bro, go watch it. Literally, I couldn't. My mouth was hanging. I could not stop. I was like, oh, the whole time. That bro converted the whole parking lot into like his own museum, and it's in Indonesia. It's crazy. Every segment that Larry Chen does, I enjoy. For sure, Charles, I'm in that same bus. I just need to go get a couple things and then I'll be fighting for my country as well.
But where we fighting? Why we fighting?
For our country, bro.
For what?
We must continue the war from last night.
What war?
Yes, you can see you. Did you take your medication this morning?
You know what?
Did you take your medication this morning? Why is it so slow today? What war were we fighting yesterday?
Oh, the plunder.
Yes. But I think we must first go to boot camp.
Yeah, please. If you wanna get me off Call of Duty, put me on plunder.
We needed to do it for our challenges though.
You need to do it for our country. Yeah, no, I think.
That's the only thing in boot camp. You don't get any challenges
It's
done.
the stupidest thing ever, bro. And it doesn't even report that. Because now I can't see what's the kills and stuff.
I think it's because there is what do you call it? There is AI in there, so they don't want it to be too easy.
Can't even give it 1 minute. See a late story.
Yeah, later story. I need to see your net first.
Yeah, no flop. I'm chill.
You still off.
Yeah, bro.
Okay, so we got that.
A lotto ticket comes in.
The what?
Don't know. A lotto ticket.
Yeah. Quickly, boys, we got that resistance on that 15-minute. Very nice. Price to bounce off the support and start breaking these highs. That will be the flip of that 30-minute and the hourly drive. I will definitely take the buys because this will be the resistance that you now see on the 15 and the 5. For price to now get up. Well, it's a bad drawing. For price to get above that, we'll anticipate price to drive. I'll tell you when I buy. It's not going to be buy stops. It's going to be a manual execution on this one, okay? Trading gold in top step. What is that? What is that?
Where does this guy come from?
Okay. Nah, lekker, Ruben. Lekker. Yeah, when you're done the course, we'll have a one-on-one. I can set you up. They're a legit prop firm.
There's Owens' streamer support.
I got you, Ruben. No stress. Okay, nah, lekker. What's happening to GJ? Nothing. Okay, so this is going to be the idea here on the 30-minute. You've got that 30-minute closure above the level, weekly, daily in alignment with no top wick. That top wick is only there. So technically we can have something like that actually. 118 per possible trade. Okay. TP2 will definitely be QP and then you can try and press more. We can also look for re-entries on the way. I probably won't though, to be honest with you. So just check this out. We've got that close on the 30-minute. Your next 30-minute opened up, little top wick, minor one, but it is there for price then to shoot down, grab possible volume, re-break its own high, re-break the previous high. When I take execution, yes, there's going to be at resistance, but the odds is in my favor that price can continue driving. Okay. And then this is now your 15 and 5, giving that pullback that I wanted when I said that at 25 past 10. I said I want that pullback. Here's that pullback. Here's price grabbing liquidity. I can't buy yet until it breaks those highs. So this is a more aggressive area where I'm taking the trade, as I've mentioned at the beginning of the stream. So if you missed the analysis, do rewind. And then the higher probable entry is above that quarter pip, but we do see the setup now, so I will take it. And this will be a type 4. Type 4? Yes, type 4. It's a type 3 on the micro, but overall it's a type 4. Because you are with that structure. 73 viewers. Let's run those likes up to at least 50 before I share the trade. Where are we on that likes? I think we can get even more than like. And if you're watching here for the first time, do hit that subscribe button. We trade live on YouTube every day, Monday to Thursday, 8:30 GMT +2, and Monday to Friday live with all my MFX members. Also London session. Let's get that likes up to 50, boys. Very close to possibly flipping here. My brother, what's up?
If it flips prior this so is
For sure. For sure. Whatever happens now, if it flips and drives, I'm taking the 35 pip stop loss. And then whatever the outcome is, the outcome. It's part of my strategy. So it's me sticking to my rules. But the closer it gets to 11 o'clock, the more I'd want to wait, because then I'm going to get that hourly close as well. So timing is very important right now.
Remember your 4-hour.
I always say it's timing the markets versus time in the markets. Get ready here, boys. 23, 21, 81 is where I'm going to look for buys. I do know that's at resistance with anticipation that price will continue going. $23, 21, 81 is where I want my buys. So lock it in, get ready. Yeah, it's a very nice stop loss. 35 pips. I mean, I wouldn't want to be in the trade if it taps that liquidity zone and then re-breaks the low, because then I know it's going to come down. I wouldn't want to risk any more than that. So 35 is going to be the number for me today. Just because we know there's active liquidity right there. Okay, boys, I've just pulled the buy trigger right there. I'm in these gold buys right now. Entry 23, 21, 81, and my TP1 is going to be 23, 22, 81. Just hold on. Where's this profit? Oh wait, that's this one, eh? This needs to be 81. Okay, so this is my trade, and my stop loss is down here for 35 pips, 23, 18, 30. Okay. Let's see how she goes. Let's see how she goes today. Oh yes, thanks Charles. Let's remove that. I'm in this position. Let's see what Uncle Gold has for us this morning.
Did you see what happened there on the 14th?
Ik wil niks van hy kak hoor. On my stream you don't mention that kak here.
Yeah, this is only for people with mouse pads.
Okay, I got something better for you. Kak. Hourly closure coming up now as well. So the only way I can lose the trade, as I make everybody aware of, is if this liquidity zone holds and price does obviously drop from there. That's the only way I can lose the trade. Other than that, I've got all my confluences, and that's why I've taken the position, because it met my trading requirements and my strategy. 6 love. Over and over again. So this is a trade that I'll literally take with my eyes closed because this is textbook.
I got 10 pips, bro, into the bit early.
Very nice, very nice. Very good, very nice.
I'm sure some of the other ones also ended on the flip of the 50 in the previous one.
Yeah. Over there.
Yeah.
WD.
It's a bit more. Okay.
WD balls. You have runners there, boss.
Yeah, usually I treat this like a type 1 per section and leave.
Okay. Quick, fast. Very good, very nice. Come gold. Five minutes within that liquidity. She should start to rise and start blitzing.
Like an hourly candle.
Come on, baby. Give me that TP1. TP1, I'll secure partials and go to break even. Hourly closure coming up in 3 minutes. Do anticipate a bottom wick, okay? Thanks, Superfly. Hope you're doing good, my brother. While the 80 viewers is here, welcome, Pippers and Dippers. Do go ahead and hit that subscribe button and like the stream if you haven't already. Just to let those know, we are in gold buys 23, 21, 81, stop loss 23, 18.30, TP1 23, 22, 81, and obviously the rest will run. Hourly closure coming up in 2 minutes. We will anticipate a bottom wick. Nothing to be alarmed of though. As I mentioned, we are in a liquidity zone, so this could obviously, if price does turn, that would be the reason. Other than that, price should continue to the upside in anticipation that we should drive and eventually come up to flip that daily high. Cheers, Lance. Have a good one, brother. Have a lekker one. Shot, Superfly. Appreciate that, man.
I hope this thing moved up, no bottom. 100 pips.
Sal lekker wees nee op die maandag. That's in some biscuits. Where's Knowles with these biscuits? $15 seconds to the next candle open. Yeah, let's see how it does.
I'm not paying for biscuits, guys.
23, 18, 30. Okay, so there is a closure above the level hourly engulfing, very nice. I will anticipate price to pull back to the blue zone. It doesn't have to, but it can, to grab liquidity over there and then price to start driving away. This 4 hours should not flip back bearish, so I'm very happy with my stop. This 30 should not break the previous low. There is a candle of indecision, so that is obviously understanding why we are stalling a little bit. 15 still looking fine. We've got that 15 support here, so I'm happy with my stop there, guys. I won't extend, I won't do anything. If it did stop, it did stop, but right now you've got that hourly open. You should anticipate a bottom wick, price to grab liquidity and then to break its own high to continue to the upside. That is anticipated. I don't think it needs to push that far down though, but it can. It can.
A nice closure on the hour.
Very nice, yeah. Look, the trade looks stunning, looks good. One thing I am just going to mention is that this liquidity zone here could be the issue.
Wait, just patient.
Yeah, I just gotta wait. And with that being said, I obviously have time to run to the bathroom quickly. I'll be back in like 2 minutes. I'll be here now.
Darren?
She's looking good. She's looking good. She's looking good. Yeah, I like it. If that was that retest, then I'm very happy with that. Let's see if she can start driving off. We need to see price break that previous 15 high. That's what? 23, 22. From there it should drive. But nothing to get excited about until we break those highs, boys.
You know, Miles, but with this manual execution, I don't know. When when you say let's go there, then I pressure, I always get slipped. I don't know.
What you using? What you using? Profirm. 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 Yeah, that's why. Profirms always have a bit of slippage and a bit of a higher spread. That's with any profirm. It's not.
You mustn't use the orders, buy stop, rather use the market execution.
Okay, okay, now right. Yeah, because man, hey, even those high they're good. Get triggered then they just turns around and go down.
Yeah, it's slipped. Yeah, I think you guys need to be quick with your fingers. Yeah, I don't get slipped either, bro. I didn't get slipped today. But then again, I'm trading with HFM. Come on, gold. Make a move here. Get it sexy, come on. Break that high. This is that 5 retest I think that we need. Check that out. Grab liquidity. Once again, break the level of 23, 22 like I mentioned. Well, let me say 23, 22, 20, 23, 22, 34. Let's say 40. That area there, that high there. Once again, do that. Then this was the solid retest that we need for price to drive. But till then, patience card. Guys in MFX, you guys fine. Everybody good. Should be good. And YouTuber, you guys are right. Everybody good. We know what's happening here. We know why I took the trade.
Everybody all alright?
No, we are all left. But while we're waiting, 75 viewers, almost 80 viewers.
Bro, you are now on 40, like a couple of minutes ago.
Yeah, double viewers as soon as I took the trade. So we're like on 80 viewers, 84 viewers at the moment. Can we run that likes up, boys? Let's run those likes up. If you're on sub to the channel, hit that subscribe button. We are in a trade already. Yeah, man, we do this every day. I just joined, can explain why you entered, rewind the stream and then you can check it out. But after I take the trade, I'll give you a quick little explanation as to why I took the trade, etc. But if you want to get the solid full breakdown, I'd recommend just rewinding the stream, my brother.
Isn't it because it's going up?
Yeah, let's get those likes up, boys. Let's get that likes up to 50. Almost there. We need 2 more likes. We need 30 more subs to hit 1,000. We're almost there, boys. Damn. We've got like 20 odd subs in the stream.
Wait, what?
Yeah, boss. Yeah, boss. Moving. Moving. Appreciate the support, guys. We do this every day. Every day.
So what's your giveaway?
The giveaway?
Direction.
That'd be good, nah? That'd be good. So this stall that you seeing right now is happening because of the left hand side. You see there's liquidity on the left hand side, it is stalling at that same area, so we understand that. So if it decides to obviously not continue, we understand why. However, grab the liquidity it needs, well, needed. So there should be no reason why it's going to come and tap stop loss. If that is the case today, obviously that would then be that this area held and it couldn't continue its upside momentum, but it shouldn't. Everything's looking good though. Yeah, it all looks good. We've been in this trade since 10:55. What is that, like 15 minutes? Yeah, I've been in the trade for about 15 minutes now, guys. We're pretty much just hovering at that entry point, playing in between numbers. Keyframe. $15 close coming up in the next like 2 minutes as well. Let's see how it closes. You want to see that the 15 also now starts making that higher highs and higher lows within its anatomy, starting to show you that there is bullish momentum still, even though there is this little pause area. We want to see price start to drive. Come on. Looks nice, yeah. I love the fact that we went and broke those lows to come and re-break its 4-hourly high. That's another reason why I took the position. Your hourly should also make that higher high within its structure on the candlestick anatomy side of things. Very nice, man. I like the setup. Like I said when I took the trade, guys, it's a textbook setup. I'll take it every day, no matter the outcome. Seems like we're starting to break that previous 15 high now, boys. Slowly breaking that previous 15 high right now.
Let's go.
Come on, let's go, let's go. About a minute left.
210.
Yes, sir.
Alright.
All day. That's breaking the high. She should push. She should push.
1 minute to the 15 closure, you might expect another bottom wick.
Now, if you're gonna get a 15 closer, for sure we're gonna see a bottom wick.
Hopefully it moved at TP before.
I want quarter pip. 23.25 will be beautiful. Here we go, boys. Here we go, boys. We should see it now. Come on, baby. Come on, Goldie. Do it for me.
You got 20 seconds left.
Look, even if it doesn't need that TP now, I'm very happy with it because it's giving me that candlestick anatomy that I want, that higher highs and higher lows in structure. That's what I really like to see. Okay, this one to give me a bottom wick, and as it flips, we're good. We should be good. What's nice now is that we've closed above this area, which means now it should test this as a support level. That's very nice. Very, very nice. Come on, baby, pay me. Pay me! How far is it from TP? That's like right there, bro. It was 1.2 pips away from TP. Very close. Very close from TP.
Almost 100 viewers. Wow.
Really? Oh my word, I didn't even see that.
It means we're gonna hit TP.
Come on, baby, let's go. Gold, let's go. Stretch those legs. Let's hit that TP. Let's go. 95 viewers. Let's hit that like button. If you're here for the first time, we live trade every day for free on YouTube. Hit that subscribe button. We're on our way to 1,000 subs, boys. Let's go. A 100 views. We just tapped 100 views.
Wow, we are.
100 viewers, boys. Let's hit that like button. If you are here for the first time, hit that subscribe button.
You're not gonna go break even now, eh?
No,
No one is gonna
I won't lose.
never lose. Why would you?
Thing is, we're above that level now of liquidity, boys. So if we highlight this zone now, you're now trading above this level, right? So it is expected for price to retest the level. That's why I don't want to go to break even yet, because we can retest that level and then continue back up. If it just drops now, it's going to be a loss, and I'm fine with that. But we're above the zone, so technically we should retest and pop to the upside, right? So let's see if we can do that. Was very close to my take profit one. But yeah.
You're alive, you also want 10%.
He's shouting, give it to me, give it to me.
Yeah.
My daughter.
Come on, baby, flip and drive. Let's get it. Come on, gold. Flip and drive. Oh, yeah. Everybody blow under your screen. It's gonna help you. 105 viewers. Let's hit that likes up. How much likes are we on? It'll work, right? Let's get that likes up, boys. And if you are here for the first time, hit that sub button. Road to 1,000 subs. Let's get it. And for those that's maybe late to the stream, do yourself a favor and watch the analysis breakdown in the beginning. It will help you a lot in your future. And if you don't know, Now you will know we do offer a mentorship program where we educate people on how to do what we do on a daily basis. It includes my course, pre-recorded videos, one-on-one mentorship, all that jazz. There's the link right there. Get involved in the mentorship program, boys.
Give that fun right now.
Stalling this area a bit, boys. What's my TP? As it says on the screen, TP1 is 23, 22, 81. That's my TP1. TP2 is there. TP3 is there. And your final TP will be up here at current daily high for 110 pips. Obviously, I won't target that. So what we are seeing right now is price trading above this level. We're anticipating that it's holding this area to grab liquidity. So this will be that area. Do you see that area there? That's above there right now. So price retest the area to grab volume to continue to the upside. That's what I would like to hope and see. Okay. What's your stop loss? What's your entry? What color is your onis? My oni. Black. How much do you close per TP1? Between 50 and 80%, and I go to break even, depending on my risk appetite at the time. But yeah, we obviously are struggling in this area, but like I said, it is at that liquidity zone, so that is why price is obviously stuttering at the area. Can I have some more lots? Interesting. Gold needs to break those highs in order for it to continue driving. Now it's retesting that zone that it pretty much broke out of.
Waiting for someone to say hi, so I'm holding now.
Brother Vinayak, you can do as you want, my brother. Meh.
Jordan, don't know.
Jordan. This guy.
Price comes back into drawdown now then. Sorry on that.
Nah. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Yeah, boys, I see this as price retesting to continue driving up. If for some reason this area holds and it drops down, I might manage the trade earlier, like around here. I might close the position around there for 18 pips. If it turns out to be a L. If that is the case today, but we're still letting it breathe, we're letting it do its thing. Shot for that repost, Mr. Jordan Spielberg.
Oh, Jordan Spielberg.
Technically, this 15 should not break its previous low, because then the candlestick anatomy is going to be out the window. So what it's doing right now is still fine. We've got a 15 close in 4 minutes. We don't want to see a bearish close. We want to see price break that high and continue. I think I'm going to be a bit aggressive today, boys. Guys, I'm going to start managing this trade, which means that my 35 pip stop loss, I'm going to manage now to a point of 15. Okay? I do not want this 15-minute candle to break the previous 15-minute low. Then I don't want to be in the trade anymore. So I'm going to actively manage this position now to less than half of what I had at risk. And I feel like that is great trade management for me personally. I'm not going to take any lots off. I'm not going to go break even. I'm just going to pop my stop loss from 35 to 15. Okay, that's how I'm managing the trade. So stop loss is now 2320.26. Because for me personally, if it's going to be breaking that previous 15, I don't want to be in the trade. Then I'll take the L. So stop loss 2320.26. No stress, Charles. No stress, brother. $30-minute closure coming up now as well. Yeah, you pretty much, you don't want to see this 30 break as low and stuff, because then you know that the trade's not going to go in your favor. But we were very close to that TP1, just didn't have enough legs at the time to drive. This for me, I am seeing as the retest of the level, but if not, and it sinks, so be it. I've managed the trade as best that I can, with still being lenient within the market. Because obviously I could leave my stop down there, but the thing is, it makes no technical sense why I would want to risk more when I can, you know, I can see the trade not going in my favor. For sure, W management, yeah. We're getting a 30 close in a couple seconds now. Let's see what that outcome is there. 30 close, how is she going to close? If she will close bearish, right? Yeah, she will. You also have your 5-minute sort of support area happening there, so it can still reject off this area and pop back up. Three seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second. Should see a bottom wick and price to drive to the upside. Let's see. Got that bottom wick now. She should start to rip to the upside. You are sitting at a 5-minute support as well. Okay, so you don't want that previous 15 to be broken. So we have our stops in place. That will be the, call it the finishing line. Yeah. 110 viewers. Let's run up those likes, boys. If you fresh on the channel, first time being here, subscribe to the channel. 110 concurrent viewers. Appreciate the support, boys.
One pop away from
So this is that 5 support level. Yeah, if this obviously breaks, then the trade won't be going in my favor. Look, at this point, why I didn't go to break even is because, in my understanding, you see this 15-minute liquidity zone there. I saw that this would have been the retest to grab liquidity to then pop back up. But let's see. Still in the position. This is very important that before, during, and after you keep tabs on the trade, so you're actively understanding what's happening in the market at all times. That's why I focus a lot on the anatomy of the candles. That also like alleviates the emotion of possible like doubt or fear or anything like that, you know, because you're understanding what's happening in the markets all the time. Where is it now? It's about 6 pips in drawdown, 6.7, let's say 7 pips in drawdown at the moment. Quite happy with the stop, to be honest with you. Quite chuffed with that management on it. 120 viewers. Holy crap.
Get that 4-hour now. Struggling.
I don't worry about the flow.
Alright.
I think we've had more. I think so. I can't remember. Where you at, Gold? What you gonna do for us? Okay, breaking that 15 low. I don't like that. But we are still running. Still running. Still got my area there, that 5-minute area. She can still reject off of it, but like I said, now that you're breaking that previous 15 lows, it's not what you want to see. So there's a higher probability that it'll come back down to liquidity zone. I'm just not going to risk more, because obviously you can have the argument now and be like, yo, it could tap in and then it could drive, which it could, 100%. But when I'm reading the candles like this, and I'm seeing that it possibly come down because it's stopping that candlestick anatomy, I'll rather cut my trade short and rather look for re-entries, in opposed to holding it all the way down here, which was a 35 pip stop loss.
And now to also say that's also like a point of an area point where you can get stuck in a range. The time is not 3 hours.
For sure. For sure, yeah. No, for sure. Especially as a day trader, like, you gotta understand, you need to, your job is to manage the position. Making the money comes with it. Your job is managing that position throughout. Almost 11.
Yeah, no, I was looking at. I'm obviously looking at
Okay.
I was waiting for something to happen. I was hoping for a nice 30-minute close.
Mm, yeah.
Previous session, but because we had no stop week on the previous, I was hoping, not hoping, I was waiting for like a bullish gold to close it up.
Mm. 100%, my brother. Hello, Mohammed. How are you, brother? How many trades have you done for this week or today? This is the first trade of the day and the week.
The first of 10.
And this is my 7th trade for the month. Chaz Mila, hello to you too, man. Might get stopped here, boys. Might hit my stop loss over here. Trade pushed. She went about 8 point something pips in profit. And she might hit stop loss now. I've managed the trade. The stop loss was down here for 35 pips. I've actively managed the position because I wouldn't want to be in the trade if it breaks that previous 15-minute low, which it is. I'll just give it like a couple more pips to breathe. Yeah. Reason why I didn't go to break even at this point is because my understanding was that you're above that area, right? So you anticipate a pullback and then a drive. That's why I didn't go to break even on the position. We're still in though. We're still in the trade. It'll be a mull if this thing starts flying from here. I doubt it though, because we can actively read this. It should tap into 2320. It should grab liquidity here. And that's something I understand. Just like that. So that stop loss hit for me on this, boys. That's minus 15 pips today. I will look for another possible trade. So let me just journal this quickly. So that's how I had to manage the trade today, boys. I had to manage it like that. So that's our 12th loss for the year. First loss for the month. Let's journal that quickly.
How many pips above previous candle that you take today?
4.
4 miles.
Yeah, look, if I had been more aggressive. Now in these conditions I can't be so aggressive because if you look to the left hand side you see there's liquidity.
The bow is if you maybe drop the entry a bit by 1 pip, you could have got it to 10, bro.
Yeah, but with these high volume candles I can't.
Where does that on?
I can't take the trades earlier. Okay, let's just journal this quickly. 17th. Gold. 130 viewers. Holy crap, this is wild. What time was it? 10:55, right? What time? 11:40. It's a pretty long trade, I'm not gonna lie. And that was 15 pips. Very nice, very nice, very nice.
Well managed.
Yeah, no, solid managed. I'm very happy with the trade. Was managed very well. For sure, George. No stress. Is that gonna pop it there? Okay, now I have to just edit that. Okay, so I will be looking for another trade, boys, but we are nearing 12 o'clock. I'm gonna call this session at 12 o'clock. If I don't get a second trade by 12, I'll call it a session. It'll just be the one trade today that I've taken that I lost 15 pips on. See, so this was like your idea based off that previous stop loss, was that you have your stop loss there because you can tap in and reject. It's just that if I can actively read the 50-minute going against, there's no need for me to risk that 35. Even if it could have saved the position, I'll rather get out the trade and look for a better re-entry on it. What is GJ doing? GJ. Nah, nothing for me. Okay, boys, I'm just gonna run for 2 minutes. I just want to do something quickly, and then I'll be back in about 2 minutes, and then I will look for possible another entry.
Anyone get a break even there or what? Everybody take the L. Jason, did you take it?
Very good, very nice.
Break even.
Yeah, I got slightly early in. No, I took 10, like 10 pips, 10 pips.
Oh, wait. Oh, because you got the better interest.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, well.
See, so going forward, I will need price to trade back above this level. And then I can look for longs up there. But until then, I can't do nothing. Gotta wait. Because now I've actually formed a 30-minute resistance. Remove that as my no trade range. Because what I'm seeing now is that this, see that resistance? This can be the break, this can be the retest for price to grab liquidity, and as it breaks that support there, we can short it down. And on the contrary, if it rejects that area, pops back above there, we'll then look for longs again. This is why I feel like we managed that trade beautifully. That's at 15 close as well. Let's see what happens at this point. And for me to take this position again, Yeah, I need closures back above there. Guys, do you see this? We need 12 subs for 1,000 subscribers. You think we can get that in the stream? I think we can get that. I think we can get that in the stream, boys. If you are new here, if you haven't subbed to the channel, let's run up those subs, boys. 12 subs away from 1,000. I think we can get it today. Maybe I'm being over my head, but I feel like we can get that today.
Using a view bot.
Nah. People just saw me take your trade like, yo, what's he doing?
Hey, hijo. Watching us Larry Chin. No.
Bruh, that's beautiful. Check that arcade room, man. Check the arcade room he has. And then check the active error on the spoiler of the GTR. Insane. Insane, dude.
This is what Forex does.
Maybe.
The Lightning McQueen car is wow.
Dude, that is insane. Wait till did he start it yet? Did he start the car already? Wait till he starts the car.
Just did now, yeah.
Wild.
Actually looks
It looks dope, bruh. It looks dope. I would drive it. With it eyes on in front.
Eyeball.
Wait, let's do this. Let's see if we get 1,000 subs by the end of the stream. That'll be wild.
Holy shit, the Bozuzuku art.
You see that? You see that?
What?
My mind was blown when I was watching that video yesterday.
No.
How do I go to this thingamabob? Like to get that how do I do it? Guys, we need 6 more subs to get to 1,000. 6 more subs to 1,000 subscribers who are doing a giveaway. I'll do the giveaway tomorrow though. 6 more subs if we can hit 1,000 today. That is wild. Can I leave this here? Can I leave that there? What is the giveaway? The giveaway is a surprise. It's a surprise. 6 more subs. Can we do it? I think we can do it. The giveaway is a surprise.
Giving folks to the next 6 subscribers. No one else here but you.
5 more subs. Can we do it? 5 more subs to 1,000. It's actually exciting watching it go off like that. This is like a trade running in profit right now.
Everybody get into that house. Go take your parents' phone and just
4 more subs to 1,000. Let's go, man. Four more subs to 1,000. Shot for the subs, boy. 1,000 subs. Let's go. 1,000 subs on YouTube, boys. Let's go. Damn. What? That is insane. 1,000 subs on YouTube. Shot for the support, boys. Let's go. Let's go, man. Let's go, man. Let's go. Shot for the subs, boys. Shot for the subscribers. If you don't know, we do this every day live on YouTube. We stream for free every day, Monday to Thursday, 8:30 GMT plus 2 for London. We stream all our trades live. Every trade that I take live on YouTube. Shot for the subs, boys. We just hit 1,000. Damn. Giveaway day tomorrow. So pull up to stream tomorrow, 8:30 GMT plus 2 for London session. I'm going to be doing an active giveaway. It's going to be good. It's going to be good. It's going to be good. Damn, who just unsubscribed? What the fuck? That's class, dude. That is class. 1,005 subs. Let's go. Let's go. 1,006. Yeah, run it up. Run it up. 1,007. Run it up. Crazy. Shout for the support, boys. From the beginning, I mean, we started streaming on YouTube since March. The 28th of Feb. So let's say, yeah, we started the 28th of Feb. So let's say March, April, May, June. So three months ago. However, I've been live trading for the past 4 years. With all my MFX members. So we've been doing this for a hot minute. Win rate is always above 80%. So far for the year, we're doing about 87% win rate, 72 wins, 5 break evens, and 12 losses. For the month, we've done 6 wins, 1 loss. So if you want to level up your trading, this is definitely the place to be for you guys. And if you want to take your trading seriously and actually learn how I trade, just join the mentorship course, mentorship program. Okay. What is my strategy? This is my strategy. Let me show you my strategy. Besides that, I'm a price action supply and demand slash trader. If you want to learn how I trade,
You must let them know that it's not just like paying you for nothing. They're paying you for education and you can make money. It's not just
yeah, it's
money as well.
active learning it. Active learning
Win-win.
it. Where is this thing now?
All the learn and earn mentors.
Where is this thing? Yo, look, with the trades that we take, damn, that's insane. 1K subs. That looks good. That looks nice. That looks nice. If you want to learn how to trade, what is right here? So this is my mentorship program. It consists of all my content of how I trade. My course is there. Then I give you personal one-on-one mentorship, and also you trade live with me, so you can make money while you're learning as well, which I feel like is quite phenomenal. So we do this every single day. If you want to level up your trading, there it is right there. That's the link right there. It's $59 per month. It's ridiculously cheap for the amount of education and expertise you get from that, you know. And then last one, if you're looking for a prop firm, use Vault Funder and use the code MFX for 35% discount. Okay. It's like 5 minutes from 12 o'clock. This might be a day for me, boys. What is that car game we were playing on last week? What is the car game? Cargill. What is it? Oh, okay. Net, we can even do an evening session. Or tomorrow. Up to you. Sure, Vinci. Keep well, keep well, keep well. We'll see you tomorrow. Okay, boys, we are starting to break these lows right now. I might get that type 3. I might get that type 3 to current daily low. What's the time now? We've got about 6 minutes left. You are breaking that 5-minute floor over. That is quite nice to see, but I need their closures below the level. No close, no trade. So I will be looking for a second position here, boys, if I can get this 15-minute count to close below that area. If that is the case and it closes below, let me just show you. So if this candle over here goes ahead, closes below that area like this, obviously your wicket's there, and we want the next one then to open up, pop in, grab liquidity, and start driving to the downside. Your setup is going to look something like that, with your stop up there for 26 pips, your target down here at the current daily low for 27. Okay, so that will be the next possible position I get. If I don't get that closure within the next 4 minutes, I think I'm going to call it a trading session. Then I'll go on to like the Wordle and stuff like that for the day. But trading wise, if I don't get my closure below the type 3, it will just be that. It will just be the one trade taken today. If you have any questions, you can obviously just let me know. And then I'll see you guys tomorrow, eh? I'm so stoked on the management of that position. Hopefully that was proper. I am Jose Mourinho. She's starting to drop just like I want. Let's see this closure. You've got about a minute left to see this closure. Will she close below or not? That is the question. $1 million question, will she close below or not? I just want to adjust the zone to be a bit high because I want that to be my confirmation there below that liquidity area right there. Hourly, how is it hourly looking? Pulling back. Hourly closes now as well in the next 30 seconds. 4 hourly is very indecisive. Do we get the close or not? That is the question. What's that? No topic on the 15, or is there? Okay, there is topic. Okay, boys, that is that close over there. It's not enough for me to take position. Not enough for me to take position. Okay, boys, I am going to jump to what is that car game that we played last week? Cardle. I think it was Cardle, no? Cardi B? No, not Cardi B. Cardle. Okay. I'm gonna jump to Cardle, then I'm gonna jump to Wordle. Once I'm done those games, I'll reassess what is happening in the markets and look for position. If not, I'm gonna call it a session because it is 12 o'clock already. Okay. So let's jump onto Cardle. Let's see what's thingamabob. Yo, what is this? What car is this? It's either a VW or it's a BMW. I don't think it's a BMW. I think it's a VW.
Audi.
Audi, you think so? Which one?
I don't know.
What's the chat saying? Chev. A Chev. What Chev is this? We need to be specific here because remember the last time we did the VW Mark 1, right? But it was, they wanted such a specific capital letter and all that stuff that we didn't get it right. What car is this? I need another photo, to be honest with you. I can't make it just like this. Unfortunately, I need another car. YouTube, what car is this? So this game, we're trying to figure out what car this is by judging pictures in certain areas. I think it's VW, bro. It's definitely something to do with the Vag group. So either VW, Seat, or Audi. That's my thinking. Because of this mirror. I'm just gonna put here Audi just to get the next picture because I don't know. No, man, isn't this a? Isn't this the MX-5? That new one?
Looks like it, right?
That really looks like it, yeah.
Yeah.
MX-5.
They're probably gonna say Miata.
I think it's this new MX-5. Just check this out. Isn't it this? It is. I'm so sure it's this car, bro. It has the same rear end as well. I'm sure it's at MX-5. Look at the rear end. Mazda MX-5 Miata. I'm sure it's this thing. Must be, man. Wait, that door handle doesn't look the same. Look at that door handle. Why? Maybe it's the old spec? Or a different variant of it? I'm sure it's this car though. I'm gonna trip on this because I'm sure it's this car. What is that? What's the 06 model? This. It's this, nah? Must be. Must be. Must be.
350k for that car. Wow.
Don't look at the price of the car, look at what the car it is. I think it's this car, so I'm gonna put this down. Mazda MX-5 Miata. I think it's this. And it's probably, they're probably gonna say the Roadster, right? I'm sure it's this thing. No? Oh, it's a F-Type. That's a F-Type. It's a F-Type. This is the Ferrari Jag, bro. The Jaguar F-Type. But now you see they're gonna get me with the capital letters and stuff. Got you. Got you, bitch. Okay. Took us 3 tries, but we got it. Would you ever buy this car, D? V6.
No thanks.
Oh, so I don't know how I feel about these Jags, eh? Okay, we got that. Done. Next. Flaggle. Red lorry, yellow lorry. The buy-in on. Buyers, you have to get closure above there, brother. First flag of the day. My YouTube guys, what country are you from? What country are you from? First one to give me the country, I'll pop that in here. So this one, you need to guess the country. This dude's from Denmark. Hello from Denmark, brother.
Well done on the Lamar win yesterday.
You guys won Le Mans yesterday. White, red. Is this not England?
I was gonna say this thing.
Is this not England? Afghanistan. Nah, it's not Afghanistan. Nah, it's not Afghanistan. So there's, what's this? Like red in the center, possible white on the sides. Malaysia. Nah, it's not Malaysia. Nah, it's not. Type 2? Type 2. It's not Malaysia. Malta. No, can't be Malta. What country is this? Georgia. Let's give it a bash. 25. Red center, yellow on the white on the left and right. Red center. What country is this, bro? Isn't this England? Why is it not showing me? Red in the center. Where's Uncle Lance? We need help here. Egypt. Can't be. Can't be Egypt. Nah, it can't be Egypt. No. Can't be the UK. No, it can't be the UK.
I was done.
Nah. Sardinia? Sardinia? What country is that? Let's think of Sardinia Bay. Nah, it's not that. You're a mean one, Mr. Grinch. What country is this? I really don't know. I don't know what country this is. I'm going to have a little peek here. Barbados. No, it can't be Barbados, brother. The flag involves red and white, with probably like your white on the sides. Yeah. I don't know. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know this country, bro. I got kicked out of geography. What? I'm gonna have a look. See. What country is this? What is that? Bro, what country is this? countries. It's Poland. Let's get the guesses out the way. No. Gold needs to close above there, guys. Don't worry. I don't know. I can't do this. Is this actually? I'm stumped today. Right in the center. Make me DM a card. I don't know. Quamsy. You're net, are you? Are you making me a fool here? Quamsy. Guys, I need a 15 or 30 close outside in order to take these buys. I can't do anything. Quamsy, I don't know what the hell that is. Even look at the flags. I don't know what this could be. I am from Ghana. Can I just take random guesses? Bro, what is this? Definitely has red in the middle. What flag is red in the middle going right across? What? Guys, we need closures above. Need closures above, otherwise I can't take the trade. So obviously if I had stuck with my original stop, I wouldn't have been tapped. But it is what it is. On a different day, it would have been a different result. I think that I might not get this one. How much tries left? I've got 2 tries left. Come on, Gabon. Central Africa, what? Oh, you're right. Who said that? Yanet. You're right. Well done, Yanet. I've never seen that flag in my life. GG's on that. Well done. Liquidity needs to close above for me to take it. No close, no trade. Give it another stick and jab, eh? If we can get that close above. Well done, Yanet, on the flagel today. Five seconds, there's no close. No close? Yeah, no close. Where am I from? I'm from South Africa, my man. I'm from South Africa. Well, are you from Cape Town? I'm not from Cape Town. You from Cape Town? Okay, boys, I'm gonna stay on stream till 12:30. If I don't get a trade by then, I'm calling the session. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. I just want to see if we can get a pop back at these gold positions. Are you also from Denmark? How's the weather? Cold inside my house, but it's sunny, blue skies outside. But like, it's generally cold. I mean, we are in winter. But it's clear skies, clear blue skies outside my house. I think it's just cold in my house, to be honest with you. Well, where I'm sitting in my house. How is life there? Normal? Life is good, life is nice. Haven't had load shedding for a while, so really nice.
Why is everyone asking like you live in a jungle?
They probably think that. Did you feed your pet lion today? Baby giraffe, she said. So boys, I'm just waiting to see if pricing closes above. If not, then I'll see you more. There's so many history about South Africa is not safe. Is that right? I think it's quite safe. Yeah. I feel like it's relatively safe, and there's a lot of crime and all of that sort of stuff, but it's yeah, it's a bit of a, can't really say, because I mean it depends where you live, like where you're from, etc, etc.
Remember when they stole your car keys in the beach?
Bruh, I was telling Manny and them about it the weekend. They stole my car keys, they stole my glasses, they stole Tyler's clothes, they stole Tyler's wallet, bro.
I'm blind.
It was hectic. Nah, that was a time, bro.
You must walk home so you could walk home without glasses. But
And the funny thing is there was other people around there. I don't know how they got away with that. I'll never forget that day. Tough, eh? After that, I didn't have like glasses for like 2 weeks. I couldn't see shit.
Listen, are you actually playing or is this?
You see COD is for free on Game Pass when it comes.
Is that coming?
I saw you was playing a Seto just now. Did you see that wide body Mustang in Josie that they made for that gas show? I think on air.
Not bad.
Not bad.
Could be worse.
Could be worse. Don't know about the front end, but
You see the Audi S2 with a V10.
what? No.
No, bro, but look at that.
No, you're lying to me.
I promise.
Send me a picture.
It was like the main.
Go.
part of the
Look
show.
here.
They didn't put an R8 engine in. They put the R8 V10, not the V8.
Sure. From the R8.
From a R8, bro.
Damn.
And it's a show. So it's wide bodied and it's got the old Audi livery from the rally days.
Mm.
You see the Jetta with the Porsche?
That blue one.
Oh,
That blue one. Like a mint. Like a mint color.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, that thing is mild, dude.
They actually build nice cars. It's like better than Cape Town's cars, bro.
Mm. I think it's more like they're going more into like the actual build of the cars.
Did you see the wide body Merc also the old one? They got wide body.
Nah, where did you see all of this?
Bro, on Facebook.
I don't have Facebook.
It's actually a monster show, bro. Like,
The gas motor show. Yeah, bro. Yeah, it is big, yeah.
I just got Tariq's gonna flop with OTF coming with this. Yo,
I don't know why I did that.
I think he wants to now be on the same level as this other dude.
But it's OTF, bro. People's gonna pull up. People will definitely go.
Take a bro with a bag, Inca 8R. I showed you the first bag one.
The black one.
Black one.
Yeah.
I think I have a bag, Tiki one now also.
Do you see there's a bag Tiguan NP? You see?
Yeah.
There's one in P, bro. It looks beautiful.
The money.
5 minutes to close, boys. At the moment, closure above here would make this my stop. So there's some, it would be like this. Oh, that's the wrong way. It would be something like that. That would be the next trade I take. If it closes above the level. If not, no trade. Yeah, boys, we're about 3 minutes away from the closure now. Yeah, no close above the level. I'm gonna call it a session after there, boys. It's been a good session. Hit 1,000 subs today. I'm quite chuffed on that. Keeks Willis, what's happening, bro? What's happening? GJ also pretty much just in that no trade area, boys. What is this? 2 minutes. Close above would really be great because then we have the solid area for stop loss. It doesn't seem like we're gonna get that close above here, boys. Let's see. FT claps. What's up, man? What's up? Cheers, Unit. Yeah, we took some gold longs around this point. We moved about 9 pips into profit with 35 stop TPs up there, where pushed about 9 pips, 8 point something pips in profit, and then came down, and then I just actively managed the trade there and cut it at minus 15 pips. That was the first trade I took this morning. And I think that's going to be me calling it, boys. That's my trading hours. We've been here since what, 8:30? Well, 9 o'clock today because of the connectivity issues. So I think I'm gonna call it over there, guys. We didn't get that close above. I'm not gonna sit here and wait for another trade. I'll be back tomorrow taking another position. So for those that obviously are here for the, what do you call it, the first time, shot for the support, I appreciate that. We will be here every day, Monday to Thursday on YouTube, Monday to Friday with my private MFX group, and that will be London session 8 GMT +2. We hit 1,000 subscribers today, so tomorrow will be giveaway day, so stay tuned for that. But other than that, guys, if anybody is still looking to trade for the rest of the day, trade smart, trade safe. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a lovely one. God bless. I'm out. Cheers.